How to know more about parsley juice. The virtues of parsley juice for health and beauty. Detox green smoothie with parsley. Parsley juice benefits, 21 health and detox virtues. Why do you have to drink parsley juice? In this video, you will learn that parsley is a very recommended plant for women. In addition to being effective in relieving painful menstruation, it fights the symptoms of menopause and prevents osteoporosis. How to know more about parsley juice. The health benefits of drinking parsley juice are undeniable. Juice helps improve nutrient absorption and allows you to eat more than you normally would. The fiber content of parsley is very good for your health. It's more than just a garnish on your plate. Parsley is one of the best medicinal herbs against diseases and has been used as a natural remedy for centuries. How to know more about parsley juice. Here are 21 incredible health benefits to drink parsley juice. 1. Strengthen the immune system. Parsley has been shown to suppress overstimulated immune systems, helping to fight against allergies, autoimmune diseases and chronic inflammatory diseases. Its high content of flavonoids also allows it to improve immune system response and suppress the different stages of the cancer process. 2. Treatment against bad breath. Do you suffer from halitosis, breath odor? Parsley can help. It is rich in chlorophyll to help neutralize bad breath and acts as a deodorant and anti-mutagen. So do not skip this parsley filling on your plate, it will help you clean your palate and freshen your breath at the end of your meal. 3. Natural diuretics. Parsley is an excellent natural diuretic, making it a miracle cure for lowering blood pressure and helping eliminate excess toxins from the body. Its diuretic effects help eliminate excess sodium in the body, which is also excellent for getting rid of excess weight of water. 4. Anti-inflammatory. This medicinal herb is an excellent anti-inflammatory. It is rich in vitamin C, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that helps relieve people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It also contains a volatile oil called eugenol, which anti-inflammatory and anti-arthritic properties have been demonstrated in studies. 5. Tonic and blood purifier. Chlorophyll in parsley helps to alkalize the body, form new red blood cells and purify the blood. Polyacetylene in parsley contains antiplatelet properties that help prevent cardiovascular disease and stroke. It also contains a host of beneficial flavonoids that neutralize free radicals and strengthen the heart. 6. Reduces gas and constipation. If you suffer from bloating, gas and constipation, parsley is the herb you need. It has been used as a traditional remedy against colic, indigestion, constipation and intestinal gas. It also acts as a diuretic, helping to reduce bloating caused by water retention. 7. Reinforce the bones. The high vitamin K content of parsley makes it an excellent herb to help strengthen bones. Vitamin K deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of bone fracture and osteoporosis. Consuming a sufficient amount of vitamin K, half a cup of parsley provides, improves calcium absorption, reduces urinary calcium excretion and alters bone matrix proteins, which helps to improve bone health. 8. Prevents bladder infections. By stimulating urination, parsley juice helps eliminate bad bacteria in the urinary tract that can cause UTIs. It is also an effective antibacterial herb, making it ideal for eliminating bacterial infections of the bladder and urinary tract. 9. Heals the kidneys. Parsley juice helps rinse the kidneys by stimulating urination. 10. Helps with digestion. Parsley stimulates the appetite and improves the digestive process. It contains a host of enzymes that help break down foods during digestion, as well as vitamins, minerals and other phytonutrients that promote the absorption and use of other foods. 11. Soothes indigestion. Parsley juice can help relieve stomach pain and indigestion, thanks to its high content of vitamin C and folic acid. 12. Prevents anemia. Parsley contains twice as much iron as spinach. Iron is the component that carries oxygen in red blood cells and helps prevent iron deficiency anemia. 1 cup of parsley provides 3.7 milligrams of iron, which is 21% of the recommended daily intake. 13. Anti-cancer herb. Folic acid in parsley is a nutrient necessary for proper cell division, and is therefore important for the prevention of cancer of the colon and cervix where cells divide rapidly. It is very rich in vitamin C, 3 times more than oranges, which is important for eliminating free radicals and preventing damage to DNA, a major cause of cancer cell growth. Parsley also contains apigenin, a compound that increases the levels of glutathione reductase and superoxide dismutase and reduces the number of breast cancer tumors. 14. Regulates the blood pressure. The diuretic effects of this herb help lower sodium levels and thus high blood pressure. Parsley also contains folic acid, which helps turn homocysteine into benign molecules, preventing damage to blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. 15. Improves vision. Parsley is a good source of the carotenoid provitamin A, beta-carotene. A diet rich in beta-carotene decreases the risk of age-related macular degeneration and improves night blindness. 16. Accelerates healing of wounds. The beta-carotene content of parsley, which turns into vitamin A in the body, contributes to the maintenance and repair of the skin. This makes it an excellent herb not only to improve the elasticity of the skin, but also to accelerate the healing process of the wound. 17. Reduces hair loss. Hair loss is often triggered by a diet low in essential nutrients. Parsley, however, contains a host of beneficial nutrients that address a number of nutritional deficiencies that cause hair loss or weaken hair. It regulates the TGF-beta1 gene, which controls hair loss. 18. Antibacterial. This powerful antibacterial herb, capable of inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli and B. subtilis, is a must if you want to prevent bacteria-related diseases. 19. Regulates menstrual cycles and soothes cramps. Parsley contains a compound called apiol, which helps regulate the menstrual cycle and soothes menstrual cramps. It has been used by native cultures to help regulate fertility and acts as a potent menstrual stimulant. 20. Excellent source of vitamin K. Vitamin K is incredibly abundant in parsley. Just half a cup contains more than 554% of your vitamin K RDA. What does vitamin K do? It plays an important role in blood clotting, strengthens bones, fights calcification, acts as a beneficial antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and improves brain function. 21. Parsley juice is good source of copper. If you need copper in your diet, parsley is the solution. Copper is an essential trace mineral found in the liver, brain, heart, kidneys and skeletal muscles. It helps in the formation of collagen, plays a role in the production of energy and increases the absorption of iron. Now you know more about parsley juice. Regular consumption of parsley is excellent for your health. Indeed, it regulates digestive function, revitalizes brain function, eliminates toxins while stimulating cell renewal. If you have any particular question concerning the health benefits of parsley juice, please leave a comment below. To learn more about how to lose weight, please click the link below this video. We really hope you got some value from this video. Please like it, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you won't miss our next videos. Thank you.